of my favorite things is you always tell people that if they can send an email to a friend, then they have the skills to create an income online. Can you talk a little bit more about what that means and help people understand what you mean when you tell them that?
Yeah, so, I mean, over the past, 6-7 years of like helping people directly build businesses online, create income, I've always been like, build a list and send emails to that list. But then I've really realized more lately, it's like that sentence I really believe. If you can send emails to a friend,
Yep.
you already have the necessary skills to make a living online. Because if anything, being a great academic writer or a trained grammatical writer can be a detriment to great copy, because it should be conversational. It should be the same type of email that I would send to Cam as a friend would be the same way that I should write to my audience. It should be entertaining, it should be fun, it should be casual, conversational. And so I really believe that if you can send short, simple emails to a friend of yours, that's all you have to be able to do to make money online. Whether it's, there are 2 ways I recommend doing this, that we have the Exponential Income Skill Program, which teaches people how to become a list profit extractor, so you write for other people's lists.
Yep.
And that's the best way to start because you're getting paid to learn.
Yep.
And then the other way is the 1-hour workday, where we teach people how to build a list and monetize that list and send daily emails to make money.
Yep.
But the whole basis of that is writing conversational emails that make people trust you. So they say, you don't have to be an expert.
Right.
You just be a trust dealer.
Yeah.
So people trust you and they exchange that trust for money. Trust is the currency that you have. And that's how you build a business that, our list at the time of whatever this is only 8,000 people still, but it makes $150,000 to $200,000 a month.
Yep.
And that's insane per person, but that's because I focus on trust, long-term relationships.
Yeah.
And those are the type of emails you have to write. So many of and when people think about emails too, by the way, if you're a total beginner, what we're talking about is using a software like ActiveCampaign.
Yep.
And sending people emails, 1,000 people at a time, 10,000, 100,000 people at a time, and you have links to buy products in there.
Yeah.
But so many of the companies, the things that you think of is like, oh my God, an email marketer, a scammer. Like, if you write in a way that people actually like and engages with them on a human level, people are not upset to read your emails.
Right.
The Connor who works with us was a customer of ours first, and he was like, he would eagerly await my emails in his inbox.
Yeah.
His words, not mine. And that's what people want. They're like, there are certain people that you probably have in your inbox that you want to email you. If you become one of those people, you can make ridiculous amounts of money sending emails, but you have to be a person and not an scammy asshole.
Yeah. I think the thing that you always say that I really appreciate is treat the people on your list like a friend. Like, if you wouldn't send something to your friend, don't send it to your list.
Yeah, and it's like people call their list data.
Yeah.
Oh, I got this data. I got 10,000 contacts. It's like you have 10,000 human beings who individually have their own problems and desires and families and all that shit. It's like, treat them like people.
Yeah.